In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate email replies using N8N. By the end, you'll have a simple flow that listens for new messages and sends a clear, consistent reply without you lifting a finger. This is perfect for acknowledgements, basic FAQs, or letting people know when they can expect a response. Start by opening your N8N dashboard in the browser. This is your control center where every automation is built and managed. From here, create a new workflow so we have a fresh canvas ready for the email automation. Next, add an email trigger node, the IMAP SMTP option designed to detect new emails. Think of this as your listener. IMAP lets N8N watch your inbox for new messages, configure it to point to the mailbox you want to monitor, and choose the folder, usually inbox. Many setups also let you define simple filters, like checking only specific subjects or senders, which helps you avoid replying to newsletters or automated notices. Keep the settings simple to start, and remember that you can refine them later. Now add either a function node or a set node to craft the reply. If you prefer a no-code approach, the set node is perfect for defining fields like subject and message body. Keep your reply clear and helpful. A practical pattern is to include re at the start of your subject and reference the original subject so the recipient understands the context. In the message, briefly acknowledge receipt, set expectations for when you'll follow up, and optionally include relevant links or instructions. You can also pull in details from the incoming email, such as the sender's name or the original subject, to make the reply feel personal without manual effort. With your message prepared, connect a send email node. This node sends the actual reply. Configure it with your email credentials so it can deliver messages from your account. Map the to field to the original sender captured by the trigger, set the from to your address, and map the subject and body to what you created in the function or set node. Plain text replies are universally reliable, and keeping the message concise helps avoid deliverability issues. Finally, link the nodes so the flow runs end to end. The email trigger detects a new message, your reply content is generated, and the send email node delivers it. From this point on, whenever a new email arrives in the monitored inbox, your workflow will automatically send the response you defined. If needed, consider basic filtering to skip auto-generated messages and reduce reply loops. That's all you need to put a professional, always-on auto reply in place with N8N.